if there was ever any doubt that Jamaica is a highly respected and rated powerhouse in the world of athletics, well, the visit of World Athletics chief Sebastian Coe, apparently just to check on local stakeholders of the sport in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. This confirms how much Jamaica is seen and valued in the world of athletics compared to other major sports. There was no FIFA president or ICC chief or World Netball or volleyball or basketball president. None of those other sports thought us worthy of a visit to meet with local administrators and officials and the politicians. But Sebastian Coe showed up to show us respect for a status that we worked for and earned by our consistent excellence in the sport at the highest level. Now, this is, of course, something that every other sport in Jamaica should look up to and emulate. I mean, I beg you to start it now. Don't wait.